Hi guys. So we are going to redo our 4th hour project in light of not having access to Bloomberg, because I'm assuming you guys don't want to pay for Bloomberg anywhere. I personally don't, and the college isn't paying for me to have access. So what we're going to do is use portfoliooptimizer.com. And it's free, so therefore I like it. And we're going to basically redo our entire 4th hour portfolio, our 4th hour project based on this. I'm going to be posting all of the new due dates and little videos to show you along the way what we're supposed to do, because I'm assuming that you can't get with your groups. So this is going to reweight our 4th hour a little bit more than it had been previously. I'm also going to rearrange things a little bit so that, like, you don't have a portfolio that you have to create and test on your own for the actual exam. You've already done that in your homeworks. So let's just have you guys create these portfolios using this program, and then we'll practice with the optimization of it to help review the optimization models that we've been doing. And then I'll show you how to back test it and all of the other kinds of things that we're going to be learning in the next sections of the exam. So if you guys want to continue to work in groups, please shoot me an email and let me know that your group wants to continue as a group. If you want to work alone, please just let me know about that. So the first step, as you can see in the directions, is to create an account on this website. So portfoliovisualizer.com. Again, it's free for educational purposes, which is what we're doing. So go ahead and create your portfolio for free. And the way we're going to do it, go under Tools. Let me just go into here so you can see Tools. And the first thing that we're going to do is go down to Portfolio Optimizer, which is where I am right now. Okay, so select tickers. And we're going to just leave everything in its generic places, which just means that don't change anything up here. Scroll all the way down, and I'm creating what I'm calling my COVID-19 portfolio. So I'm thinking of everything that's going to do really well over the next few months with COVID-19. So what did I come up with? Netflix, because I've been watching a lot of it. Amazon, because I've been ordering a bunch of stuff. Walmart and Kroger, because they're publicly traded, basically grocery stores, and they can remain open. Gilead, because I am a fan of The Handmaid's Tale and, literature, dystopian literature, but also it's a pharmaceutical stock. Clorox, obviously, because Clorox. Tdoc, which is Teladoc, a visual, like a phone type system that you can go and talk to a doctor. And then what was my other one on here? RBGLY. Okay, so they're the ones that make Lysol. RBGL. And it knows what I'm talking about. Okay, so you're going to type in everything that you want, all the stocks that you want. I can suggest going to Seeking Alpha to try to come up with some different ideas, or you could just stick with your regular portfolio, whatever you'd been doing. Just let me know what you're doing when I ask you for that explanation. Okay, then I'm going to go down and simply click Optimize. Okay, unknown GILD, so I'm going to have to go back in here. Let's see, did I have it saved wrong? Gilead, let's see, what was that? Hold on, let me fix. All right, so I fixed that, sorry. Dyslexic mistake. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click Optimize. Okay, the time constraint is not available for Tdoc because it started in 2015. All right. So what I want to do in here, it's saying, oh, well, in order to optimize my portfolio according to the Sharpe ratio, I would not actually invest in all of these stocks. I would only invest in Netflix, Walmart, and Teladoc. And it's going to give me my portfolio allocations, my starting balance. So this would say if I started this in July 2015 when Teladoc first went public. So my beginning balance would be $10,000, and now I would be up to $34,920. Ezra, what are you doing? Okay. So my Sharpe ratio, I can see that information in there. I can see the growth of my portfolio and my annual return. So far, I'm kind of down for 2020, but it's beginning of 2020. It's not so bad. I can also go in here and see my efficient frontier. Okay, so it's going to map out the efficient frontier. I can see where everything is located. Here's how to maximize my Sharpe ratio. And that's why I'm seeing Teladoc is performing so much better, right? So this is a really cool visualization technique that I'm going to ask you to include. And, oh, sorry, go back up here so you can see everything. It's including that. Then I have my metrics that it's going to show me, and the arithmetic mean, value at risk. So we're going to discuss all of these different factors, and you can see all of this information is going to be included in here. So it's not exactly the the thing that you would have expected using Bloomberg. We're going to be doing things a little bit differently, but I just wanted you to know that this is a powerful software, and it's free. So it's something that we are going to be using. So I hope this helps, and I will update you with additional due dates and suggestions on how to get through this.